Hello, it's Rachel, the weird pregnant lady. I can't sleep, so I'm gonna swatch my Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. And I'm gonna try to make it quick because most of my videos end up quite long. Y'all know that already. So I'm going to make this fairly quick. Okay, and this is the first row. And of course my favorite is the greens. Some of the shades look very similar. Well, most of the shades actually to me look very similar. But I still really like the greens, but honestly to me, I can't tell the difference between this orange, and it looks a little redder in person, but it's orange, and this orange. I can't tell the difference between this one and, oh, I lost it. I think it was this one, but that one's very similar to, I don't know. These two look the same to me. These two brown ones look the same as well. These two kind of look similar at first, but now they just don't to me. I don't know, some of them look extremely similar to me though. Okay. I was gonna say this orange, and this orange does too, but not really now. Okay, this is the second row, I think. Yeah, the second row. I like it. Of course, the green's my favorite. I like the shimmery shades, pink ones. I like all of them, really. And I'm sorry I'm being quiet. Everyone else is asleep and I couldn't sleep. I've had the issue where Z-Quill, which my midwife and my OBGYN, who I saw for my previous pregnancies and my, other lady stuff, they both have recommended that, or they have recommended it, saying I can take it, but it tends to make my legs restless, which I looked that up, and restless leg syndrome is common in pregnant women, and Z-Quill can cause it. Alrighty, here's the third row. I really like the shimmer shade the most, of course, and that orangey pinkish shade. It looks more orange on camera, but it is pretty pinky, and same for this one. To me, it is more red in person. Yeah. That last shade's real pretty too. Alrighty, this is the fourth row. And of course, I really like the shimmer shades the most. I think they're really, really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the last row now. Okay, this is the last row, and the two shades right here these two look extremely similar. So now I'm going to swatch the ones to me that look pretty much the same together. Okay, these three look very similar, and I don't know which order I did them in, but I know it is, hold on, the second shade on the top row, and this one, and this one, I'm pretty sure. Okay, these are some other shades that to me look extremely similar. And I know I said that earlier, but these these two oranges, both on the third row, look extremely similar. These two browns that are, this one and this one look similar, and the last two, these two look very similar to me as well. But that's okay, it's a really beautiful palette. I'm looking forward to using it. And I am gonna go ahead and get off, and I'm gonna try to sleep, but I'm not sure how that's gonna go. Bye.